Ladies and gentlemen, happy Monday from me, James Sweeney, at the balcony at the NYSE. And stocks, they're having a really strong comeback, just like Barack Lesnar at UFC 200 this past Saturday. Very impressive. And just like Brock, stocks strong with the S&P 500 hitting an all-time intraday high today. In other words, a good start to the week. And because of that, it may be time to celebrate because it's nearly 4 o'clock. The markets, they're about to close. It's time to grab ourselves a celebratory drink because it's a Monday happy hour, a good Monday happy hour in New York City. Now, stocks, they are indeed higher this Monday. Investors approving the election results in Japan and also last week's jobs report. Now, the markets are indeed off to a great start for the week, as so good that the benchmark S&P 500 index hitting a new all-time intraday high soon after the open, breaking a previous record set back in May 20th, 2015. Why exactly the rise? Well, let's begin in the land of the rising sun, because Shinzo Abe's coalition getting a landslide victory for the upper house in Japan's parliament yesterday. Abe's election lifting the likelihood the government plans to compile a post-election stimulus package that could exceed a total of 10 trillion yen. That's roughly $99 billion. Meanwhile, last Friday's strong jobs results continuing to have a hold on the markets and investors. This after the economy added roughly 287,000 jobs, easily beating expectations. And with this week starting quietly on the economic docket, and this afternoon becoming the start of the earnings season with Alcoa set to report its results after the close, you have yourself a session when teamed with the US dollar about 0.1% higher, European stocks up, Asia surging. By the way, the Nikkei soaring about 4% overnight, oil slipping just about 45.15 a barrel, and gold up $1.30. Well, that's a slight bit on the upside. Combine all of that, and you have yourself a session right behind me where 3 stocks are on the upside for every decliner here at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to close out this, the first trading session of the week. And rather than end on corporations, because I'm in a good mood, we have to talk a little bit more about sports. UFC 200, the beast incarnate is back. Congrats to Brock Lesnar. Impressive. And Miesha Tate, after that, when she started getting pounded, I had to turn it off right away because I couldn't watch the rest of that. Moving on to international football, soccer, Euro 2016. Congrats to Portugal and Ronaldo for beating France in France, something a lot of people didn't expect, including myself. And this past weekend, I'm still going to say it, let's go Mets, but it really wasn't a great weekend. And congrats to Andy Murray in Great Britain for winning Wimbledon. British man winning Wimbledon, it's a beautiful thing to see, a second time, right? And with that stated, from Modern Wall Street saying I'll see you guys all tomorrow morning, I'm James Sweeney, and I'll see you then.